Hello and welcome back to English Practice today. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about a very famous and powerful book called The Power of Now, written by Eckhart Tolle. This book teaches us how to live in the present moment and find peace inside ourselves. I will explain the ideas using simple, calm, and clear English, so you can relax and learn at the same time. The English in this lesson is gentle and slow. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen calmly and let the ideas flow. Learning English can also be a peaceful experience. Before we start today's practice, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notifications. That way you'll never miss a new English lesson. Now let's begin. Many people feel stressed every day. They worry about the past or feel afraid of the future. They think about problems all the time. This book teaches us something very important. Peace exists now, in this moment. Eckhart Tolle starts the book with a simple idea. He says that most of our suffering comes from our thoughts. We think too much about what already happened or what might happen. But life only happens in the present moment. The present moment is called now. The now is not yesterday and not tomorrow. It is this moment, right here, right now. When you pay attention to the now, your mind becomes quiet. Many people live inside their thoughts. They replay old conversations. They imagine bad situations in the future. This creates fear, stress, and sadness. The book teaches us to notice our thoughts instead of believing them. You are not your thoughts. You are the person who can see and hear the thoughts. This is a very important idea. When you watch your thoughts, something changes. The thoughts become weaker. They lose their power over you. You begin to feel more calm and present. Eckhart Tolle also talks about the ego. The ego is the voice in your head that says, I am not good enough, or I need more. The ego wants control, attention, and comparison. It lives in the past and the future. The ego is never happy in the present moment. When something good happens, it wants more. When something bad happens, it complains. That is why the ego creates suffering. The book invites us to step out of the ego. This does not mean you lose your personality. It means you stop believing every thought. You become more aware and peaceful. One simple practice in the book is focusing on your breath. When you feel stressed, stop for a moment. Take a slow breath in and out. Feel the air moving in your body. Breathing brings you back to the present moment. You cannot breathe in the past or in the future. Breathing always happens now. This is why it is such a powerful tool. Another important idea is accepting the present moment. Acceptance does not mean you like everything. It means you stop fighting what is happening. When you accept, your inner resistance disappears. Resistance creates pain. Acceptance creates peace. You may still act and change situations, but inside, you feel calmer and clearer. The book also talks about pain from the past. Eckhart Tolle calls it the pain body. The pain body is old emotional pain stored inside us. It wakes up when something reminds us of the past. When the pain body is active, you may feel angry or sad without a clear reason. The book teaches us to observe these feelings. Do not judge them and do not run away. Just feel them and stay present. When you stay present, the pain body loses energy. It cannot survive without unconscious thinking. Awareness is like light. Light makes darkness disappear. One beautiful message of the book is this: you do not need to change your whole life to find peace. You only need to change how you relate to the present moment. Peace is already inside you. This idea is very helpful for language learners. Many learners feel nervous when speaking English. They worry about mistakes and judgment. This fear lives in the future, not in the now. When you focus on the present moment, fear becomes smaller. You listen more and think less. Your words come more naturally. Learning becomes easier and more enjoyable. The book also teaches that happiness is not in achievements. It is not in money, success, or approval. These things can bring temporary pleasure, but real happiness comes from inner peace. When you stop chasing happiness, you feel happier. When you stop fighting the moment, life feels lighter. This is the paradox the book teaches. Less resistance creates more peace. Eckhart Tolle reminds us that silence is important. Silence is not empty. Silence is full of awareness. When your mind is quiet, you feel more alive. You can practice silence anytime. Listen to the sounds around you. Feel your body sitting or standing. Notice the space between thoughts. These small moments of awareness change your life slowly. You become less reactive. You become more present. You start to live instead of thinking about living. The power of now is always available. You do not need special knowledge. You do not need to believe anything. You only need to notice this moment. As you listen to this lesson, you are already practicing. You are here, listening, breathing, and being present. That is enough. That is the beginning. Before we finish, remember this simple message. Life happens now, not later. Peace is found now, not someday. Your journey starts in this moment. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Practice Today. Leave a comment and tell me how you feel when you focus on the present moment. Writing a short comment is also a great way to practice English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.